Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shathi. This is the second look I have created for this Pride month, and if you like this look and want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. I have completed my base, and now for primer I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Natural. Now going to dab this with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to use my Pretty Orchid eyeshadow palette for today's look also. First of all, I'm going to draw the outlines. I'm taking this color along with this. Now I'm going to take this orange shade. Now I'm going to take this green along with this. And now I'm going to take this blue shade. And now taking this dark purple color. Just going to pick that same color here, and I'm just filling that color in the inner portion. Now taking this red shade, adding that color here. Now I'm picking this yellowish orange shade. Now with a small pencil brush, I'm going to take this yellow color. And now switching to this brush and taking yellow shade again, and I'm just going to blend that color here. Now taking this and this two blend shade together. Now I'm using this dark blue shade. Now I'm gonna cut this liner line, and I'm again using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for that. Now I'm gonna take this color. I'm gonna use the same color combination. Right now I'm taking the maroon shade and I'm gonna use that color here. Now I'm going to take that yellowish orange shade and just going to blend that color here. Now some green. Going to add some blue color. Now going to take some purple color. Now again I'm going to take that concealer and I'm going to give it a shade. Now taking purple shade and I'm using that color on my lower waterline. Now taking some blue, some green now, and yellow. Now I'm going to add some mascara. So now I'm going to put some falsies and I'll be right back. Now it's time to contour my face, and I'm using this Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. And now it's time to add some blush, and I'm using this Sugar and Spice blush by Makeup Revolution. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter Palette. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use Sugar Smudge Minot Liquid Lipstick, this one, in the shade Wine and Shine. I'm gonna take this color also. This is Brink of Pink by Sugar, and I'm just going to add that color in the middle portion. And now I'm gonna add this ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Speed Dial. So here is my Pride Month makeup 2 completed. If you like this look, then please let me know by commenting below, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I upload. And you may like to watch my first tribute to the Pride Month. Here is the link. Hope to see you in my next video also. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.